Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and let me share with you how to how to turn on the eye comfort mode on this device, or the night mode. So basically we will start with customization of this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here from this left section we have to find the display option. Let's tap on it. Now let's take a look at this option on the fourth position, the eye protection mode, which is simply the eye comfort mode here. So this is the name of the nightlight, and after tapping on it you will be able to customize it. So let me tap, and of course before we will have to turn it on. So let me tap on turn on, and as you can see the screen turns yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So for example, if you're laying in bed and if you're reading something with all the lights turned off, it will be much easier actually to look at the screen. So here we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can change the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left we can make it much cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. And of course you should set it just like you want to on the option which is most comfortable for you. What's more, here we've got the schedule option, and after tapping on it you can see that we've got 3 different options. So currently we've got none, which simply means that we have to manually turn on and off this option. We can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and it basically means that your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are, and you can turn it on at custom time. And I would like to show you this option. As you can see, the start and end time will immediately appear here, so you can freely tap on it, and from this clock you can pick the hour you'd like to use. So for example this one, as you can see, and let me change the end time for this one. As you can see, the screen immediately changed into those yellowish tones. It is of course because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn off this option. So basically this is the whole customization of this mode, and now I can show you much faster access to it. And basically all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And here we have to find the proper icon, which is, as you can see right here in the right upper corner of this section, the eye protection mode, which is of course right now turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see the screen will immediately go back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way basically. So actually this is it. This is how to enable eye comfort mode in your LENOVO Tab P12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.